Hi everybody, this is Jerry Keysweater from Holly Kia TV. One of my favorite things about the Kia brand is how quick they are to integrate new technologies and features into their lineup. And one of my favorite technologies is Apple CarPlay. I hate to drive without it. Apple CarPlay allows you to seamlessly integrate your iPhone's operating system into your car's infotainment system. Apple CarPlay is available across Kia's entire lineup. Not every trim level will have it, but it is a feature that's available on every model. So let's jump inside the car and I can show you how to get started. Okay everybody, I have started the vehicle, and as you can see, we have the touchscreen or infotainment system here up and running. You're going to want to get your USB cord. I always recommend that you use an Apple certified cord. It doesn't have to be an Apple certified cord, but it's got to be in really good condition, because I have used USB cables that are a little bit damaged and the iPhone doesn't always want to read them properly. So you want to take this end and plug it into the USB port on your car. It's down in the center console, and then you take the lightning adapter and plug that into your iPhone's power charging port, and you'll get a message that says reading USB. You can see it's already connected. One of my podcasts is playing, but simply press the Apple CarPlay button. You'll see a very familiar screen here. You have your apps at your fingertips. These are all apps that are installed that are compatible with Apple CarPlay. Aside from the stock music and phone and messages and maps app, I have Google Maps installed, Overcast, which is a podcast player, Spotify, and Waze is another navigation app that is quite helpful. If you want to get back to the Kia screen, you can hit the Kia button and that takes you back to your standard screen where you can select your radio or whatever you want. And if you want to go back to CarPlay, go to the home screen and press Apple CarPlay and you're back. But for instance, if I want to make a phone call or send a text message, I'll send a text message right now. All I have to do is press this button with the hands-free symbol and say, send a text message to Kathy Keysweater.
What do you want to say?
Hi, I hope you're having a great day. This is just a test. Please don't reply back.
Your message to Kathy Keysweater says, I hope you're having a great day. This is just a test. Please don't reply back. Ready to send it?
Send it.
Okay.
Then you just get back to your home screen and you just do whatever you want. You can listen to your podcasts or call up your navigation app and input your destination. Let's go to Dunkin' Donuts in Bethany Beach. And there we go, we're ready to go. So I hope you enjoy using CarPlay. I find it to be very useful, allows me to keep my eyes on the road, and I really enjoy the convenience of hands-free calling and hands-free texting. So if you have any comments, please feel free to leave them in the comments. If you have any questions that I didn't answer, because I probably didn't answer all of your questions, leave a message in the comments. Look forward to hearing from you, and click subscribe and be sure to watch our other videos. We'll be doing a video next on Android Auto and how to set up your Bluetooth device.